Hi everyone, it's your girl Yolanda Monique and I am here to share with you my Stitch Fix unboxing. I had to turn the camera angle so that you will be able to see my full body once I put on the clothes. This is a plus size Stitch Fix. I will tell you what I asked for. As you can see, I cut the box open, but I haven't broken the seal for the actual clothes. I'm looking for that little card. Here it is. So I had specific requests because so far I have not been very impressed with my unboxings or my packages. So I did ask for winter clothes. I did ask to make sure that they were plus size friendly and that they were not did make me look older or frumpy. So my stylist replied, "Hey Yolanda, happy Fix Day. I had so much fun styling you for Fix number 6 and cannot wait to hear which pieces you're loving. I hope you had an amazing holiday season with your family and friends, whether you're celebrating in person or via Zoom this year. I'm sure you look stylish as ever. Since you're looking for winter and date night clothes, I wanted to send some options that you can mix and match with your current wardrobe. The West Key blouse has a fun side tie detail that makes it gorgeous for date night, and you can pair it with the jeans and these navy Michael Studio pants. It has a 3/4 sleeve that is great for winter, and you can layer it with the cardigan or chic jacket if you get cold easily. Another fun option is the DM collection dress. You can tighten or loosen the tie and add some heels for a classy look." The other thing that I want to point out is that I haven't been doing unboxing lately because I've been actually just directly purchasing things from this Stitch Fix website. So I have purchased a moto jacket, I've purchased sports bra, I purchased 2 shirts and a skirt. And my request to her was that could you please find things that fit this style that I've been picking and use this as a point to style me, because so far I feel like everything that they've picked out for me is making me look older or is for an older individual, and I do not want to dress older than my actual age. So I have them right here on the side and I have the little card. The first thing I see is this shirt, and they keep picking the same style. This is not my style. Especially this Aztec design right here. That is definitely, let me see. This definitely isn't me, and I feel like it's dated, and maybe it's just, once I put it on, we'll see. So the next thing, I think this is that shirt that she was talking about. Now this, no, this is the dress. That's interesting. I like the color pattern. Let me see if I can. So yeah, that's gorgeous. And next thing right here, I'm trying to get out of black and white, but as soon as I saw black and white, I was like, oh, I love it, because I always buy black and white. Not because black and white makes you look skinny or anything like that. I just feel like it's easier to find something to work with it. So this is it right here. I think this is a dress. This looks nice. The next item is, oh, this is that shirt she was talking about. But it's cute. Like I'm out of focus, but that's it right there. And this might actually work. The style is not normally something that I would wear, but I really like once I put it on. But here's the pants, and it's long. So let's go try on the pants, and let's do the dresses first. Let me try the dresses first, and then we'll see what you think. So I'll be right back. Put the name. So this is the dress. She did say you could pull the sleeves up. I don't like the tie. I just feel like I have a belt that could probably do better. But this is a side view, and this is a back view. I'm trying to not step on my marker so I know where to stop. I'm on the fence about this one. I did bring one of my belts to see if it could look a little better. So I'm going to try with this belt, how it's supposed to be worn. I feel like it would look a lot better with the belt. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. We'll try on the next one. Okay, this is the Chantelle false wrap dress. It's a little below the knee, and so here's the side. It's a 20. So I'm okay with it. I don't know why, I just feel like this is not winter. This really feels like this will be something I would wear in the summer, and I could possibly keep it just for summer. So you guys let me know what you think. The Alex straight leg pants in the Emma embroidery top. This material is super thin. There is no way that this is winter in any shape, form, or fashion. Even if I was in my office, they tend to make it a little on the colder side. I would be wearing a cardigan or a jacket all the time. And if I was to go out, I would have a jacket on because this is so freaking thin. I don't like this detail. That's just me. That's not my style. With the Alex pants, I definitely like the pants. They're stretchy, especially considering that I've lost enough weight to get into 18s. So I can definitely get into them. That's not a problem. I'm not fond of how my stomach looks like a pooch with the pants. But it's also because I'm losing weight. And I know my stomach is probably going to be the last place to lose weight in. So I'll have to deal with that. It does have zippers, but they're false pockets. I don't like that. I mean, there's nothing there. So you've got two false pocket zippers. I don't know if they're supposed to give you space, but I didn't need them. It's an elastic waistband. The pants are kind of stretchy. They get a little tight around my knees, but other than that, I really like the pants. What's the point of putting pockets if they're not real? Literally, there are no pockets on this pants in anywhere. So let me change tops and then we will see what you guys think. This is the Chevron wrap shirt. I really like this. I will say this definitely is not winter in any shape, form, or fashion. This is definitely a summer, fall shirt, possibly spring. But if you wore this in winter and your office is cold or you wore this outside, you would have to wear something on top of it because it is really thin. But I like the style. I like the layout. The gathers are on the arm. Are elastic. They're actually kind of tight on my arm. Well, they're more like digging into my arm. But as I lose more weight, hopefully my arm will get skinnier and it won't do that anymore. But I really like it. So here's the front. A side view. So honestly, out of everything that I have, this definitely would be something that I would keep. They're way too season inappropriate. And my specific request was winter. I don't think winter means slapping a jacket on it. I mean, I was honestly expecting thicker clothes, sweaters, because since I've lost so much weight, I've actually gotten rid of all my sweaters. And so other than the 1 or 2 sweaters my sisters have given me for the holidays, I don't have any. So I was actually looking forward to getting actual winter clothes. And I feel like this layout, this collection that I got was definitely geared more towards spring and summer than winter. But you guys let me know what you think. I am looking forward to it there. And I do hope you guys stay safe. And I will check you guys out on the next video. Bye.